And that news from Pfizer comes as the Bay Area is experiencing a rise in COVID infections. In Alameda County, health officials continue to urge people to get vaccinated.
They say the county is experiencing an increase in cases that could exceed the spring wave that we suffered through earlier this year. KRON 4's Amanda Harry joining us live with just how significant those cases have been. Amanda.
Officials tell me the number of new cases a day has more than doubled. At the beginning of June, they were seeing an average of about 30 new cases each day. Now that number is closer to 70 new cases each day.
But this is a reminder, COVID is not going to go away. It's here with us for the long term, and it's going to continue to impact people.
The Alameda County Health Department says the latest increase is likely due to reopening activity and less masking. Health Officer Nicholas Moss believes we aren't seeing the impact of the 4th of July holiday just yet.
It takes a few days when you've been exposed to COVID to get sick.
Moss says they believe the Delta variant is also having an impact. And while some mild cases have been reported among vaccinated residents, that's not the majority.
The vast majority of these cases are in unvaccinated people and the communities where we see the lowest vaccination rates.
If you take a look at the map on your screen, you can see which Alameda County zip codes are seeing the most cases. The darker blue the area is, the higher the case rate. Moss is also concerned that with more spread, there will be more serious illness.
So we have seen some increases in our hospitalizations. We got down to levels that we really hadn't seen at any point in the pandemic in early June, but we're up again from there.
Dr. Peter Chin Hong, a UCSF infectious disease expert, says we have to prepare for the situation to keep evolving.
Always, we're going to be watching the data and seeing what happens.
Health officials tell me that the most impactful thing people can do to stop the spread is, of course, to get vaccinated. If you're not comfortable getting vaccinated, they encourage people to continue masking when they're indoors and also when they're outdoors and around a lot of people. Live, Amanda Harry, KRON 4 News.